optical network, so all your answers are really appreciated and useful. So I had not time to respond to all the email, but it's really important for us to have this. So this is the network infrastructure, the current network infrastructure of the backbone. We have about 60 POPs, and this project started in 2002. The 90% of the POPs are in university and research institutions' premises, and there are about 100 backbone links, total capacity of backbone on 160 gigabit, about an end-to-end interdomain end-to-end capacity of 50 gigabit and 70 gigabit of peerings. This is the current situation. And the users are 600 universities, research institutions, cultural institutions, museums, libraries, with the access links from 2 megabits, so really few bandwidth up to 10 gigabit. On leased lines, MPLS, VPN aggregation, and few dark fiber now. And with an overall capacity of 250 gigabit. And now, in the next days, we will turn on the light on the first fiber on this new optical network. So we will build this network in 2 different phases. The first one is 32 POPs with 7,000 backbone fiber kilometers of backbone fiber and 1,000 using Huawei equipments. And then there will be the second phase, but will be for the first phase. This is the fiber topology, the fiber types. Okay, let's go quickly. These are the 10 gigabit matrix with the located 10 gigabit in the startup and the potential one for each node. And this is the routing and switching infrastructure. You see all the equipments are backbone equipments in this picture. They are all Juniper. And we have more than 100 Cisco equipment for Metro Ethernet networks. There are the services. It's quite common services for the NRNs, so connectivity IPv4, IPv6, multicast, layer 2 and 3 VPN and OPN, then the NOC, the monitoring, all the domain network allocation stuff, NIC, LIR, the CERT, certificates, DUROM, the AAI Federation, the name in Italy is IDEM. The mirror, video conferencing, VoIP, all the services are provided and maintained by Garr to the customers. The monitoring system, we have a system fully developed in-house. The name is GINS, that is the acronym of Garr Integrated Networking Suite. The scope was to integrate all the tools. We had a lot of tools, different tools in the NOC, so the starting point was the integration of all this stuff. And now this system integrates all the monitoring, statistics, weather maps, tickets, reports, and so on. So the leading idea during the development was something, the Amleto dilemma of the monitoring, to automate or to avoid losing historical data. So this graph reports the traffic of University of Milan in 2005 with a 5-minute scales. So this was the first requirement, and at the same time to automate all the systems so that no one has to fill data So the response was quite common architecture. So we have a big database with all administrative and technical data. It's not a CRM, but we use also like a CRM, And then the monitoring tools take data from this database, poll the network, and at the same time, automatically, the tools poll the network and check the information in the database to have always consistent data. This is the NOC UI I go. This is weather maps, layer 3 pop view, and the MAN view, a layer 2 switching view of a MAN of a metropolitan area network. So these are the tools used by the NOC, and also the tools used by the tools. So we use MTG, smoke ping, RRD tools. We have trap monitor in-house developed, flow tools, performance, NDT, iPerf, BWCTL, smoke ping, HADES. It is. We use Rancid for the configuration repository, and we have a checklist system also developed in-house for procedures, and documentation with the wiki and Samba file server. This is the NOC. This is a picture I took a few days ago. It's not the full staff. We have 6 engineers in shift and 6 engineers from 9 to 6 p.m. It's fully in-house, centralized, and located in Rome. Let me say that we have 3 groups planning NOC operations that are quite a single group in which everyone knows everything. So the responsibilities of the NOC are help desk, operations, POP design, network planning and engineering, management of the network, documentation, inventory, PERT, and trouble tickets, so all the management of the network. And to have an idea of the tickets, in 2011 we had 900 tickets, 300 was for scheduled maintenance, and the other 600 for faults and other stuff. We don't have SLAs. We build the network really together to the customers. So it's we try to achieve the best availability target as possible, building a resilient network with the customers. Communication with the customers is done by mainly TTS and email. There's some specific communication with mailing, using mailing list automatically generated by the database. About the internal communication, I don't have so much to say because we don't have a structured tool, so we use email, Skype, phone. So, and about the documentation, the NOC document mostly network operation changes or activation, dismission, and so on. So we use this checklist system that is homemade, and then for POP information, schemas, and so on, that is all internal documentation. We use wiki. We use TWiki. CMS, and for the public documentation we use Joomla CMS, that is the site of the NOC. Fortunately, we don't have a best practice for the TF-NOC collection. I'm sorry. And this is the picture of the NOC in 2004, where I suppose the network was healthy, and outside I remember was raining. Thank you.